expressions. So system verilog allows assignments within expression with same gochas as C. Okay, so they're telling system verilog syntax is different than C, confusing programmers familiar with C. So there are suppose you are migrating from C to system verilog. During that time, system verilog syntax is somewhat different than the C. So already when you're migrating from C to system verilog, so you may get some confusion. So in verilog, assignment is not allowed within the expression. So you see here, if you are using if a equal to b in verilog, you will get an error. It is illegal. But therefore the common C gocha of if a equal to b is illegal. Unfortunately, this also means the useful application of an assignment within expression is also illegal, such as while data equal to scanf. But coming to system verilog extends verilog and adds the ability to make an assignment within an expression. So in system verilog, if you are using expression for assignment, so in that case you will not get any error. Okay, so this is the advancement what they made in system verilog. Thus, with system verilog, international usage of this capability, such as to exit a loop on 0 or null, is legal. So but to prevent the unintentional uses of this capability, such as if a equal to b, system verilog requires the assignment to be enclosed in an expression. So they are telling that if you want to use a equal to b like this, you have to enclose that thing in an expression. Okay, so if a equal to b, this is illegal in system verilog, so you have to use brackets, okay, braces, then only this is right. The but probably not useful. This is right, this will work, there is no syntax error, but this is not useful. While a equal to b, legal in syntax system verilog and can be useful. So if you are using the same thing in while, then it's somewhat useful. Okay, so ironically, in an effort to prevent the common C gochas, if a equal to b, the system verilog syntax become a gocha. So they are telling that if you are using the same thing like if a equal to b in C in system verilog, then that is a problem. So speaking from personal experience of one of the authors program familiar with C will attempt more than once to use the C like syntax and then wonder why tool is reporting syntax error. So if you're migrating from C, who is already having a hand-on experience on C, during that time if they will work like this, means you will get syntax error and they even don't come to know that what is the source of error. So now it is an error because system verilog syntax is different than C, so this is also a gocha. How to avoid this gocha? The system verilog syntax can help prevent the infamous C gocha if a equal to b. So if you will use like this, system verilog give you a syntax error, so you can avoid this type of mistakes. So by seeing that syntax error, you can just go and find the source of error. So the gocha of a different syntax cannot be avoided. However, engineer must learn and remember that C and system verilog use different syntax to make an assignment within an expression, right? So they have so in this statement we have seen that whatever the problem we have seen in C pertaining to if assignments, that is removed in system verilog.